All right, guys, we've got the Nynelly 5-tier clear acrylic display case stand. This was extremely easy to assemble. All the clear acrylic came nicely covered with a plastic sheet, a white plastic sheet on both sides to make sure there's no scratches. So all you do when you get it, you take everything out of the box, you take the plastic off all the sides, and then you put it together. It's very simple. They even come with lights, some string lights in there that are battery operated and they're already on. So I went ahead and just put some things in here just to give you an example. A lot of people might use this to display like could be like cards, it could be like anime figures, it could be like stuffed animals. Um, there's a lot of different collectible items that people like to exhibit, and this is a really nice way to highlight it, whether it's in your bedroom, in your entryway, in your living room. It's got a door, so it's very easy to open, move stuff in and out, and it just has a really clean, very high end presentation. And if you're looking for a display case, the thing I like about this, if you want me to be honest with you, the thing I like about it is it looks high end, but it's very simple, easy to put together, and it looks good, dude. I think it's a really good value, and I think if you get this, a lot of people that are looking at this, you can get an idea for the size. You'll probably want to go with several of these because you probably have a lot of characters and you want to group them all together in their display cases all around. I think create a little museum in your living room.